In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up calendars in Anytype. This will be a quick and straightforward walkthrough, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to get your calendar going by creating a task. Start by opening your Anytype app. On the main screen, look for Objects. Objects are where different types of content live, and Tasks is one of those types. Tap Objects, then Find and Open Tasks. This takes you into the space where all your task items are organized. Now, create a new task. You'll see an option to add a new one, so go ahead and tap to create it. Give your task a clear, descriptive name, something that makes it easy to recognize at a glance. This title will show up wherever you view the task later, including in calendar-related views. Next, add a tag. You can tag a person or use a tag as a category. This is important because the calendar is accessed through a tag. Think of the tag as your key. If you plan to manage a set of tasks on the calendar, choose a tag you'll consistently use to group them. That way, when you want to pull up those items on the calendar, that tag will make them easy to find. Now set the date. Tap Select Date or Due Date, and pick the day that matters for this task. The date you choose is what places the task on your calendar, so make sure it's correct. After that, choose a status, to do, in progress, or done. This helps you track where each task stands. Even though it's simple, keeping statuses updated makes your calendar far more useful at a glance. At the bottom of the task, you can add text or a command. Use this area to jot down details, steps, or notes you don't want to forget. If you're used to commands, you can use them here as well to format or insert elements as needed. If you're looking for a save button, don't worry, there isn't one. Anytype automatically saves your changes as you go. That means once you've named the task, added a tag, set the due date, and picked a status, you're all set. And that's it. You've set up your calendar in Anytype by creating a task with a tag and a date. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.